Homemade face packs for acne recipes. Sea salt mask. Buy some sea salt, ensure that it stays inside a dry and clean airtight container, making a paste of approximately half a glass of sea salt with half or 1 teaspoon plain water and blend it. Apply this pack of salt towards the impacted quantity and then leave on for around half an hour and wash off. Fuller's Earth Face Pack. Take Fuller's Earth, rose water, and fresh lemon juice. Create a paste of Fuller's Earth, couple of drops of rose water and fresh lemon juice for a refreshing face pack. Fuller's Earth draws excess oil off the face and dries the present pimples. Rose water freshens and moisturizes the skin while fresh lemon juice fades the acne scarring. Besan and curd face pack. Take Besan/chickpea flour and curd. Add 2 spoonfuls of Besan, chickpea flour, and sufficient curd to create a good paste. Put it on and allow it to dry. When it's totally dry, dampen it with mild, circular motion, scrub the skin. Wash off and greet happy skin. Cucumber face mask. Take cucumber pulp and juice. Grate cucumber, strain the juice. Refrigerate the pulp. When it's cold enough, make use of the pulp to choose the juice and moisten the face, one place at any given time. When you have the dip within the cold juice again and repeat for other spots. This unclogs your skin's pores and cools lower the machine. Place slices of cucumber in your eyes for a health spa effect. You may also include 2 spoons filled with wealthy yogurt towards the pulp without draining it. Use the mixture and then leave it on for some time, say half an hour, and wash off. Honey face mask. Take 100% pure organic honey. Go ahead and take needed quantity of honey and use the thick honey on your face. Allow it to take about 15 minutes. Wash off. Should you experience any dryness, publish the mask is off. Abide by it. Track of a moisturizer.